Hey man, it's looking like it's official, bro. It's looking like it's official. But with all Travis Scott releases, we know how it goes. And again, I'm not trying to beat a dead horse, but I've been going for a while. But I've been hearing about this sneaker shock dropping for the last couple of months. But I gotta keep real with you guys. Going into the next couple of days, we're seeing stuff on the story. We're seeing stuff in different discords and on Twitter and stuff like that. We got to break down the real truths and facts about this potential shock drop, about this drop for the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 lows. Let's get right into it, man. So what's going on, guys? Man, I appreciate everybody for tapping in. It's always greatly appreciated, man. But again, you guys seen the thumbnail and the title. We're talking about these Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows. And me personally, bro, I have no Travis Scott Jordan 1s in the collection. I had the mochas, let those go. Wanted to get something else added to the collection. Cause like, man, don't want a mocha pair of Travis Scott, or I want to get some more nostalgic heat. So that's kind of what I pivoted towards. But we're going to talk about it. If you guys are new here to the channel right now, I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please run them likes up. Every single like counts. If you guys want to see more content like this, we're kind of breaking down releases, breaking down some of these shock drop rumors and stuff like that. Make sure you're tapped in. Make sure notification bell's lit so you miss out on any of the content. And I'm telling you guys, I had like 3 packages when I walked in the door from work, and I said, yo, hold on, bro, we gotta start breaking these things down, kind of, you know, dropping the content. We got some early looks, we got some grill pickups, and we got some much anticipated heat to check out, man. So let's get into today's video. All right, guys, so we've seen the images, we've seen pictures, we've seen videos over the Fragment design Jordan 1 Travis Scott lows, and that's a shoe that I know is a hot commodity all year long. From first initial mock-ups of last year leading to the year, everybody has wanted this sneaker, and now it's actually coming to fruition. So today Travis Scott dropped a story post for his friends and family over in Tokyo that something's going to be going down this Friday. I think it's the 10th of November. I think that's the date. I'm not too sure. It's probably the 8th. I think it's the 8th of November. What was on the story, and that kind of implicated and kind of showed a couple different things for us sneakerheads in the US and abroad. You know what I'm saying? That shows us that we are officially going to get this drop. Typically how it looks is he drops shoes on his website, and we all know how his website goes. It is not guaranteed whatsoever. It's actually frustrating trying to get things on the site, but it's crazy because I know people that actually have hit on his website. So I'm not gonna say it's botted out 100% because I know personally, I know people that have hit. Me personally, I have not hit at all. That's a whole nother story. But it is a chance for us to secure a pair of these Travis Scotts on his website. So I'm gonna bank on it happening on his website first, like it always has been happening, and of course getting that second drop on the Nike sneakers app. We could even see a drop on the Nike sneakers app the same day on Friday, because you know, not much is dropping besides the taxis the next day, which I can't say not much because the taxis is definitely up there in terms of what people have been talking about, what people are eyeing to get. And just to kind of give us a Travis Scott, then lead to the next day of the taxis, I can see Nike doing that, and it all could happen within this next couple of days. They can even just hit us with a shot drop on sneakers tomorrow on Thursday, and then lead over to the next day and drop on the website. Who knows? Nike has been doing things totally different, bro. Totally different. And it seems like these shock drops and stuff that has been happening, we ain't been too precise with the time, dates, and stuff, because I think that Nike is seeing what we talking about, bro. I think they go on a different step, different level in terms of keeping some of this information close guarded, tight kept, so not everybody and their mama know about some of the moves that they are trying to make. But again, man, Travis Scott's Fragments, I had to check on GOAT. I'm like, bro, these are unobtainable. They're unobtainable. We got a shoe worth 2,000 plus. I would even say 1,000 plus. It's gonna be almost impossible to get this shoe. Your best bet is the Nike sneakers app. That's what I'm banking on, because the website already counted up as a L. I know I won't hit personally, but hopefully one of you guys do hit on them joints. I know a couple people that do got them actually right now in the collection. I'm like, yo, them things are cold. Them things are cold. I like the highs a little bit better, but you can't go wrong with the lows. And then my personal favorite of all time is the mochas. Like, that's a grill of mine. Probably won't end up getting them until we get one of those open in the vault moments. We got Tokyo's back, Galaxy's back, Wu-Tang Dunks. I don't see why we couldn't get another retro of the Travis Scott Mocha 1 highs. I'm not counting it out at all, because Nike has been doing some crazy things in 2025. But yeah, man, we got prices ranging from $2,000 all the way up to $2,700. Yes, it is crazy. And that's why I'm saying this sneaker is almost unobtainable, bro, because it's going for so much money. It's gonna put a lot more spotlight on that sneaker, and people gonna be, you know, paying to play, getting them bots ready, and you know, of course that back door gonna be open like crazy, man. But you guys know how I always am. I'm not spending over I just spent some crazy amount of money on sneakers, but I guarantee I ain't never spent no $2,000 on one shoe before, ever. That's never happened, and I guarantee that will never happen as long as, hey, I don't even care if I'm a millionaire, bro. I'm not doing that at all. It ain't happening. It's just, it doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense, man. But me personally, that's how I'm rocking. If you guys had to spend $2,000 on these Travis Scotts, would you do it? Would you spend the money on these joints right here? I'm super interested in knowing kind of, you know, how y'all like buying shoes. Like, y'all don't mind, you know, but pulling up the bank to get the shoe. You don't mind breaking the bank to get the shoe, selling arm and leg, get the shoe. I'm interested in knowing, but me, man, it ain't happening. And me personally, I would just rather go the next day, get the clean pair of taxis, and then go about it that route. That's just me personally. So again, I ain't judging if that's what you're gonna do, but yeah, y'all do what y'all do, man. I ain't judging y'all, man. But again, man, potential shock drop over the next couple days. We've been hearing rumors. I've been seeing different things floating around, but I know for sure we're gonna be getting some on Friday, and I'm not sure if that's gonna be sneakers. I'm not sure if that's gonna be on this website, but we are going to see something. So make sure you are ready. Make sure your cards are ready. Make sure your phones are ready, so you're ready, prepared to get this dub. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell for your boy. Run them likes up. Drop some comments. Let me know what you think about the Travis Scott Fragment 1 lows. Also, man, say your boy the Vintage. I'll get you guys in next video, man. Peace.